హైదరాబాద్ మెట్రో ప్రాజెక్టులో పనిచేస్తున్న నా సహోద్యోగులందరికీ ఈ 29వ రాష్ట్రంగా రాజ్యాంగబద్ధంగా మనం తెలంగాణని సాధించుకున్నందుకు మీ అందరికీ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ on this historic occasion of constitutionally getting recognition as the 29th state of this country. It may be the youngest state in the country, but if you see geologically, it is one of the oldest regions in the world. The word Telangana came from Trilinga Desha. There were three, many of you must be aware, but now all of us should know what is Telangana. Kaleshwaram in the present part of Telangana, Srisailam, which is very nearer to the present part of Telangana, and Draksharama, which is now in Simantha. These three lingas, Trilinga Desha, it was originally. So Trilinga Desha was, in fact, it was consisting of, as he mentioned, it was the land between Krishna and Godavari. Okay. Now, the sister state of Andhra, Rayalaseema, parts also used to be a part of the great Telangana originally. It was millions of years older than even, it was the part of the famous Gondwana land it was called. So one of the earliest human civilizations were originally located in this great land, and as a part of that Gondwana land, it was millions of years older than the mighty Himalayas, millions of years older than our sister state Andhra region, which is a later formation, geologically millions of years younger than the present region. That's why when he is talking about the hardness of this particular land, this original Deccan continent was this particular region. So the Trilinga Desha over a period of time got corrupted over this thing, especially in the pronunciation by the Muslim rulers and the people who came from North India. So Telangi Desh, Telangi people, they were called. That's how the Telangana word has come. It is a great historic occasion, this kind of a thing. Actually, see, the identity of Telangana has been for centuries. Okay. Successive regimes, first time in 11th, 12th century, Shatavahanas, when they founded the kingdom, actually we are Kotilingala, which is on the banks of now in Karimnagar district. A great Telugu kingdom was formed in this region. Later, it spread. On the one hand, you had the Golconda Nawabs. Later, when we lost independence to the Mughals, when they came and conquered, actually, a lot of historical changes had taken place. So from then onwards, this identity of Telangana has been in existence. Actually, over a period of time, it has spread. So later, Nizam had ceded part of, initially, Coastlandra he gave away to French people and then the Britishers. Then Rayalaseema region, even today they are called the ceded districts actually. So that's how it was a great land actually. See, so it's a great occasion that in the modern history, at least 60 years of continuous struggle was there actually to form this into a separate constitutionally recognized state. So it's a great occasion that we are able to today achieve it. You know the history, I don't have to get into all these things. Normally, I do not support my religious beliefs actually. Once I was an atheist, later I became agnostic, for a period of become an atheist. I normally do not listen. The moment Gotu was put to me, I erase it. But today I must tell you, some great instances have taken place. I went with the file for our chairman. So, I must tell you, Dr. Rajiv Sharma has become our chairman. The chief secretary of Telangana state, Dr. Rajiv Sharma, has become our chairman. I took the file yesterday because normally this tradition is not there. Automatically, the government, as per the GO which was issued, the government chief secretary to the government it's called actually because at the time it was GOAP, automatically becomes the chairman of HMR. Since a new state had come into existence, now from a public enterprise of GOAP will become a public enterprise of Government of Telangana. We are Mr. Mohanty, who was chairman till yesterday, was the chief secretary of the combined state. He said, let us take a formal noting you prepared yesterday. He told me, so I prepared. From GOAP, today it has become an enterprise, a public sector enterprise of Government of Telangana. So the secretary to Government of Telangana from now onwards shall be the chairman of this particular occasion. So he endorsed it as the chief secretary of the combined state. Okay, now the chief secretary of GOP. So he said yesterday there was no chief secretary for Telangana state. That was later in the night it happened. He said tomorrow you take from your chief secretary of your state. So definitely take that. I took the file today to Dr. Rajiv Sharma just about 15 minutes, 20 minutes ago. 5 Vedic Purohits had come from Sri Venkateshwara temple, Tirupati. I said, sir, you signed this, they came here to bless you. I said, sir, just you sign this and then they will bless you. He thought that I took the 5 pandits, actually I specially arranged them actually to come from Tirupati to this place and bless. He said, thank you very much actually for bringing. I'm really blessed. I said, sir, no, it's coincidence, maybe it's God's wish actually. I did not bring them, I did not even know that actually they were here. I have come to bless actually, say, no, I made use of this actually. I said, sir, you signed. So immediately he signed as chairman. He took over as chairman, Vedic Pandits. For both of us actually, they took these photos and then they gave us the blessings. So we have God's blessings actually to carry forward this great project under the chairmanship of Dr. Rajiv Sharma. I will be assisting Dr. Rajiv Sharma and all of us will be assisting